Okay, good morning children. Now we are going to do question number 8 of exercise 6.3 of chapter triangles. Exercise 6.3 of chapter triangles, in which we are given a question which I have written here. E is a point on the side AD or produced of a parallelogram ABCD. There is a parallelogram namely ABCD whose side AD is produced, then BE intersects CD at F. This figure we need to make ourselves, it's not given. तो पहले फिगर बनाते हैं तभी आपको समझ आएगा कि what it is saying. ठीक है, first of all we can draw a parallelogram ABCD, right? So this is the parallelogram. Roughly you can freehand diagram you can make A, B, C and D. ठीक है, देन इट इज सेइंग E इज अ पॉइंट ऑन द साइड AD प्रोड्यूस. साइड AD को इन्होंने अगर प्रोड्यूस किया है तो देन अ पॉइंट E इज देयर. सपोज दिस पॉइंट इज E. It is saying BE intersects CD at F. It means B requires to be joined to E, then only it will intersect. तो BE ने इसको जहाँ इंटरसेक्ट किया, that point it is saying F. ठीक है, तो as per the given information we have drawn the figure. ठीक है, एक पैरेललोग्राम गिवन था, उसने कहा कि AD को प्रोड्यूस करा एंड उस पर एक पॉइंट E है. सो वी हैव प्रोड्यूस्ड AB एंड वी हैव टेकन अ पॉइंट E ऑन दैट. देन इट इज सेइंग दैट BE इंटरसेक्ट CD एट F. तो हमने BE को ज्वाइन किया तो ऑटोमेटिकली वो इसे कहीं कट कर रहा है तो वो F ले लिया. Now we have to show that triangle ABE. ABE, this big triangle, is similar to CFB, this one. ठीक है, so come to the proof. You will write in triangles ABE and CFB. What do we have? What are their matching paths? We can see now. In these two triangles ABE and CFB, ABE and CFB, we can say angle A equals to angle C. How we can say? Because opposite angles of a parallelogram are always equal. So we can say that A equals to C, as these are the opposite angles of a parallelogram. Moreover, we are given that it is a parallelogram, so opposite sides will be parallel. Then I can say that this angle ABE is going to be equal to CFB. alternate angles हैं ये. Can you see the formation of Z here? Z की formation हो रही है आपकी, ये parallel lines है, and BE किसका काम कर रही है? ट्रांसवर्सल का काम कर रही है. So we can say that angle ABE is equal to CFB, as these are alternate angles, and the third angle also is equal by alternate only. Now again we have this side parallel to this and this is like transversal. So this angle would be equal to this. By AAA property the triangles will be similar. ठीक है, in triangles this and this we'll write angle A equals to angle C. Reason would be opposite angles of a parallelogram. Then we will write angle ABE is equal to angle ABE equals to angle CFB. CFB. Reason, as AB parallel to CD, comma BE is transversal, so alternate angles. ठीक है, आप केवल इतना भी लिखोगे, it's okay. If you only write alternate angles, no issue. I am writing so that you can understand the things well. AB is parallel to CD, तो फिर ये आपका ट्रांसवर्सल का काम कर रही है. तो we have observed that Z is being formed here, so alternate angles are these. ठीक है, similarly अब हम दूसरे में तो रीजन लिखेंगे ही नहीं. Similarly means with the same reason. Similarly angle CBF I can say is equal to angle AEB. Angle AEB is equal to angle CBF. Again these are alternate angles. Detailed reason we don't require to write. This implies triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by which criteria? Triple A. All corresponding angles are equal, so the triangles are similar, right? So here we conclude question number 8, which is very simple. Do it once again yourself. Now I will tell you question number 8, question number 9, whose figure I have already drawn. in this figure it is saying that ABC and AMP are two right triangles. ठीक है, I am reading from the book. ABC, इसमें ध्यान दीजिएगा बस, ठीक है, in figure this one. Triangle what it is saying, ABC and AMP are two right triangles. ABC and AMP are two right triangles. One is right angled at B and the other is right angled at M. ठीक है, prove that. What we have to prove here is to prove triangle ABC, first part, similar to triangle AMP. सेकेंड पार्ट में प्रूव करना है CA upon PA is equal to BC upon MP. This we have to prove. ठीक है, so look at the figure. Triangle ABC and AMP. You can see this angle is equal to this as both are 90 degree, and this angle is common in both the triangles. Then as two are equal, automatically the third will be equal. And I have told you that by AA also we can write, because if two angles are equal, automatically जब three easily visible हो तो आप लिख दीजिए, otherwise it is sufficient. Like in previous question सारे हमें दिखाई दे रहे थे तो हमने लिख दिए. यहाँ भी obviously जब दो equal है तो third will be automatically equal, but if we don't write for that, it's okay. ठीक है, we'll write in triangles ABC and AMP. What do we have? Angle A equals to angle A as it is common. Then we have angle ABC is equal to angle AMP, each 90 degree, right? This implies triangle ABC is similar to triangle AMP by which criteria? By AA, criteria of similarity. ठीक है, क्योंकि दो इक्वल है तो अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग द सेम थिंग, दैट इफ टू एंगल्स ऑफ अ ट्रायंगल आर इक्वल देन द थर्ड विल बी ऑटोमेटिकली इक्वल बाय एंगल सम property. So first part we have proved here, right? Now for this ratio you have to observe the figure again. CA is the hypotenuse of one triangle, so PA is the hypotenuse of the other. तो एक बार तो hypotenuse का ratio ले रहा है ये CA, because if triangles are similar their corresponding parts will be proportional, है ना? So CA is the hypotenuse of this and PM is the hypotenuse. PA is the hypotenuse of this. 90 डिग्री के ऑपोजिट देखोगे ना, 90 के ऑपोजिट कौन है? PA. यहाँ 90 के ऑपोजिट कौन है? CA. ठीक है, so this implies I am proving first and second all both together, right? CA upon PA, what we have taken? We have taken their hypotenuse. Now BC means the right angle making arm, perpendicular, है ना? So here also PM equals to BC upon MP by what? CPST means corresponding parts of similar triangles. ठीक है, so by CPST these two are proportional, hence proved the result. Both results are proved together, hence proved. ठीक है, so यहाँ पे यही ध्यान देना है कि corresponding parts कौन से लेने हैं. Like here hypotenuse we have taken of this triangle, so for this triangle also we'll take hypotenuse. Then here we are taking perpendicular, so here also we need to take perpendicular. ठीक है, परपेंडिकुलर कह दो या बेस कह दो, ट्राइंगल को घुमाओगे तो बेस बन जाएगा, है ना? बट सी दैट वी हैव टू कंसिडर द आर्म विच इज कंटेनिंग एंगल बी, सो हियर ऑल्सो विल कंसिडर द आर्म विच इज कंटेनिंग एंगल एम. ठीक है, यानी कि हम एम ए नहीं लेंगे. अगर हमने यहाँ पर बी सी को कंसिडर किया है तो यहाँ भी हम किसको कंसिडर करेंगे? पी एम को. ठीक है, हियर इफ इट इज कंसिडरिंग ए बी देन वी विल कंसिडर ए एम. ऐसा भी तो पूछ सकता है, इक्वल्स टू ए बी अपॉन एम.